am going to enhance your crochet skills by showing you how to start off a row with an actual double crochet instead of the traditional chain 3s. Typically, when you get to the end of your work and the first row of the next row needs to be a double crochet, you turn your work and you chain 3. Usually this chain 3 will count as a double crochet, so you would not work into this first stitch, you'd work in the following stitch, so on and so forth. Let me do that to show you what that looks like. When I do that, see how these chain stitches just kind of look like they hang out there? They don't look like they're just like these double crochets. Well, I don't want that. If this is going to be the edge of my work, I want it to look nice and clean and look like they're actual double crochets. So to do that, let me show you how to do a stacked double crochet. I'm ripping out my project and I'm back to the start. So this is as if I had turned my work. Okay, you ready? I am not going to chain any stitches. I will simply go into this first stitch right here, yarn over, pull up a loop, and I have 2 loops on my hook. I will then go ahead and complete what looks like a single crochet. Now, what I want to do here, let me grab a pointer to help you. Can you see that there is a line right there? So there's a string right there, and there's a string right there. I am going to take my hook and I'm going to pierce that stitch right in the middle between that string and that string. Here we go. I'm going to take my hook and literally pierce that stitch. So I'm in the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So I have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, draw through 2, just like it's another single crochet. Now as we take a look at our actual stitch, you can see that this resembles a double crochet much more than just the chain 3s. And if I turn it on its side, you can see I have a really nice edge there of some chain looking stitches. This is now completed a double crochet, and I can carry on and work double crochets down my row or whatever the stitch happens to be for your stitch pattern. Look how much more uniform that looks. Now, do you have to use this stitch in place of a chain 3? Absolutely not. But if you want your work to have that little extra something, that little extra clean edge that makes things just a little bit more clean, crisp, and tailored, this is what you need to use, a stacked double crochet. It's a great way to really level up your crochet project. Thanks so much for joining me on the Marley Bird YouTube channel. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit subscribe. I've put a link right over there, or you can watch a couple of the videos I've already selected for you right down there. If you want to follow me on social media, I've put my links right over there. You can have all Marley all the time. Bye guys.